Today we're trying every popular candy from all 7 continents around the world.
All 7?
All literally 7, starting with South America. Oh, so that's a different kind, bro.
It looks like a
Look at that.
Looks like a
Tamarindo dulce. 3, 2, 1. Cheers, cheers. Oh, you guys already fighting? These are not Hispanic, bro.
Dude, I got a
What the hell? You got a freaking
cockroach.
Cockroach or something.
Try it.
Okay, next one we're gonna try is this one. I actually saw Karol G bite into this and she was like,
Claro que sí.
I love this or whatever in one of the interviews, so we'll put it.
What is it called?
I don't know, choco cake.
Choco.
So this is gonna be like a little cake. That's good.
That's good. I knew you were gonna like
If
this.
this was frozen,
It was like a vanilla cake. Definitely it. I like this one. First one to me, hell no. This is, yeah, go for it, go for it.
you know how to cook. Look,
Look, look.
look.
Come on. Slurp juice?
I don't know, bro.
No way. What
It's
does it
good.
taste
It's
like?
good. It tastes like water and then like candy.
This says manzana, which is apple. It doesn't
that
taste
does not
anywhere
taste like-
near
yeah.
apple, yeah. So now we got this white chocolate. What is it called?
Tacaquito.
Flaquito. We got blue flaquito. He has a red flaquito. It's so good, bro. It has like caramel inside, and then it's like white chocolate on the exterior.
That is
So,
like sea
let me see.
salt. I was
Break
like-
it. Break it in half. All right, ready?
Oh
3?
my God.
No way.
There's a waffle.
Basically like a little bit of poop coming out.
That's good.
It tastes like white chocolate from another country. Seriously.
This is like with all the added preservatives.
Yeah.
Dude, these people add like other. Right?
You like it? It's disgusting, right?
I'm throwing that away. One last one for South America. And it's, what the hell? There's a bunch. Okay, grab one. These are like Skittles.
Yeah, Skittles,
look.
dude.
They're not as round as Skittles. They just look like rock. It tastes like gum.
Is this bubble gum?
Comment down below if you know what this is. Is it a bubble gum or is it a freaking like Skittles type candy?
1 through 10, trash.
No. Give it an honest rating because honestly, there's
two,
people that
two.
watch from South America. I would assume, right?
Well, I'm being honest to them.
Okay, you got a 2? That's not that bad. I'm honestly gonna go with a 4 for South America.
I give it like a 6.
So definitely not a hater, a mid hater.
I think
so.
you're rating it by the women in South America.
Oh, I'll definitely give that a 10 then.
We're going back to Colombia then maybe.
All right, so now we got cuñacu, and what the hell is that? I just gotta say,
wanna try
that looks definitely really slimy, and
We're gonna like drip it into each other's mouth.
Oh, bro.
Yeah, we should.
It's not even liquid.
it's not liquid. What do you mean? It tastes like Asian candy. It's like Jello gummy-ish. I don't know. I personally didn't like the consistency. Did you?
No, they're
You?
horrible.
Well, no.
Go. Oh, we have to, bro.
no
we have
way.
to try it out. Wait, bro. These look like Clash of Clans gems, no?
These are a lot stronger than what they have here in the US.
Yo, that's definitely true. No, for real. What the hell is wrong with you? What the hell are you doing?
They're so good. I want to get naked.
Oh, now we got some weird ass freaking. Looks like pretzels.
It looks like caca, right? Looks like caca.
Oh my god, they taste good.
It's like a rabbit shit.
They taste good. What do you
It's like
mean?
cardboard, bro. It actually tastes like coffee. It was pretty good.
I'm gonna choose one of the ones I want. So I saw something in here that looked quite interesting, and it's this. What in the world, bro? It comes with a little stick too. So let's open this up and try it out.
Use that. He's like, okay.
That's trash, bro. The packaging is like way better than everything.
It's not bad.
What do you mean?
Do you like jelly beans?
That's good.
Do you like
Okay,
do you like jelly beans?
no, I don't.
Okay, that's the problem.
Comes the Fiji. Ugh, I feel like it has fish inside.
It's not bad. It's
not bad.
It tastes like ice cream cone.
It's like ice cream cone. No.
That's good.
What the? Salmon Cheetos.
It smells disgusting. That's fire.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
So
bite it, bite
good.
it.
So we're not gonna try the whole bag, but look at everything that's in here. Oh, what the hell? Just got I'm actually excited to try that.
I'm taking the birth control for what's up.
Wow.
Oh, trash. I don't like it. Oh my god.
What the hell? This guy got a minty one.
It felt like
I'm telling you.
minty.
Oh my,
Got it.
bro, this guy gets
We got a piece of turd.
No, that's what it looks like, seriously.
This is actually really good.
That's fire.
These are perfectly set up
Oh,
for
they
us.
do look like mochi.
It looks like mochi.
Dale, 1, 2.
Wow. Off the bat. That's good. 1 through 10. Asia. 7.
That's exactly what I want to do right now.
Why?
You guys know when a bubblegum is so good you want to swallow it? That's this. Oh, I think it was definitely a good experience. Something so fucking unique to like my life for sure. I've never tried candy like this. So that's an 8. I really like that experience.
I give it a 9.
What?
He rates everything really high.
I like that.
You only like the long black one? Why you rating it a 9?
We got some North American candy coming up. What's up?
What do you guys think about chocolates from North America? We just tasted a whole bunch of chocolates. We got Reese's Pieces. You like Kit Kats? You like
Basic.
Me too.
Yeah, Snickers.
Bro, what's up with you?
If we had Snickers, I'd go with the Snickers.
That was black inside, it was white.
Bruh, people are gonna think so bad, bruh. Fuck.
I don't like those. I
No?
prefer regular. I'm a regular Reese's guy.
I agree.
I think we can all agree on this one.
Yeah.
10.
10.
Always a 10.
This? 10. 100%. All right. Time to go to the next freaking continent.
All right, guys, so up next, we got European candy. By the looks of it, it just looks like a bunch of just chocolate, coffee.
But you know why though, right?
Why?
Because they're like known to be fancy.
Really?
Yeah, it's Europe. Chocolate ones. You know, you already know who's gonna choose this one now. Not yet. Why do you point straight at him, bro? Oh my god, this looks so good, bro. Look at that.
Pomegranate?
Yeah.
Wow. I kind of want to try
With
that.
nuts in the middle. Bro, this definitely looks fancy.
Damn. Try it.
Damn.
Jello consistency, but it's nutty. Bro, that's so good. Start tasting all the coconut and the nuts, bro. You start tasting
That's
it all.
really good.
Yes, bro.
It reminds me of that Mexican, like,
Yes,
I know what
the
you're talking about.
coconut one, the flag one.
bonbon.
Andale. Yeah, so this is a Cornet Osmo, and it's basically, well, it already looks like
That's
it's
too-
in the
that's
shape of
too
a
easy,
cone.
Victor.
Oh my god. This is some good candy, bro. It definitely tastes like rich chocolate. I just ate it all. I kind of regret that.
Really?
There's a lot of sugar. I should warn you guys, we're gonna get diabetes for
Would
sure.
you like to try my sticks?
I'm tapping out on Europe.
You don't want to try my chocolate sticks?
Fine, Victor.
What the hell, bro?
just met your stick.
Dog cracks. Wait, that looks actually really good.
It was good.
Oh, these are interesting, bro. Look just like pretzels or some bamboo pretzel. I don't know. Just like a
No salt, though. It just tastes
like cardboard.
like a pretzel with no salt.
You want to try my fish?
Yeah, I do.
Are they good?
It's exactly the same. Oh my god. These look really good, bro. Yeah, exactly what you would expect. Oh my god.
Really?
Yeah.
It looks good.
I'll Benny. It's too much chocolate. I'm just gonna take a little bite. Hey, this is not bad, bro. You know how to get me to take a second bite. What, bro? This looks like the...
Because it's brown and white.
How does this look appetizing?
It's brown and white. Is that why?
Try it, bro. Try it.
It's a mix.
How does that look appetizing? Seriously.
He likes things that look like shit.
Ah, nah.
No, it's not.
What? It's really good?
Dude, wow. Olive oil on top of it.
The consistency's good.
Dude, that's like a mazapan.
Yes.
Yes.
9 cat tat. Rulo cat. 3, 2, 1. Dunskies, these are done with. Boom.
I'd have to say Europe, it wasn't all that great. I'd give it a 6.
Honestly, I'm gonna be real with you guys. I feel like I should be like in Europe, bro. Like I like that. Europe is like me. So 10.
No fucking way.
What?
Yes, they have that in there. Go for it. Go for it. Go for it.
You know
go
what
for
that
it.
is?
Yes.
What is
What do
that?
you mean? You know what that is?
Yeah, I had a friend that brought one of these.
All right. So next up, Morty, Owen, and Victor are gonna try snocks from Australia, mate.
From Australia?
Yeah.
I sound like a beaner, right?
I like Crocs, not biting my ass.
Oh, that's pretty good. So this is all Australian candy, and the first one I'm gonna try and I'm really excited about is Tim Tams, because I hear every single Australian talk about this freaking candy right here, bro. Especially one of my favorite singers, rappers, whatever you want to call him, Kid Leroy. Always says he's like, Vegemite is not Vegemite is not supposed to. What does it smell like? Oh, there's no way, bro. Try
What
it.
is it? That's fun.
Nah, you didn't try it.
Try it.
He put it in his mouth.
Why is it like salty, sour?
Next is Tim Tams. Super excited to try these again. Kid Leroy always mentions these.
These are probably like the greatest thing in the entire world, and I don't think like anything in America can like come close.
And he's like, every Australian knows what Tim Tams are. You gotta have these. So great fucking candy, bro. Great candy.
I like it.
It's like barbecue.
Wow, good.
You know what's weird? Those are the originals. They're not even barbecue. This is barbecue. What? It's like some cherry candy. What the hell?
That wasn't as satisfying.
Wait. Can you please try that?
I'll try
It
it.
looks like raw meat, bro.
Go for it. Just bite into it. Just bite into it.
Like a steak.
Like ground beef.
It's like coconut, dude.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like cherry coconut.
I don't want to miss out my opportunity to taste these kind of.
I'll give Australia an 8, mate.
Look at that. Go for it.
That's straight fire.
That's good.
That's straight.
But it's what you would expect from like Australian candy.
right?
straight fire, dude.
It's good, right? But like weird. I don't want to pass up on the opportunity to try all these candies because I'm probably never gonna be able to try them again. So that specific candy and the Tam Tams together, everything on Australia. I feel like my dream girl's from Australia. So if you know, you know. If you're watching this and you're from Australia and you're beautiful, hit me up, hit my line. Definitely a 9 for sure. Okay, so now we got South African candy, and everybody's gonna choose what they think their favorite would be because honestly, we've consumed so much candy, and at this point, our stomachs are just upset. We already know which one Victor's gonna get.
No, let me close my eyes, see if it's meant to be.
Why do you always grab the biggest oversized candy?
I didn't do it on purpose.
This dude goes for the biggest oversized candy every time, right?
It's 100 grand. Yeah.
Oh, that looks good though. It looks minty. All right, go for it. That looks good, bro. Is it good? Now I got this one. I've been waiting to try this one. Look at this. Jelly Tots Original. It looks like it's white chocolate with jelly tots in the middle. I wanted to open this one since I first got the box. I need you guys to try this. Just the last one. Just the last one.
I'll try it.
Big. That's pretty good. No? What? I think he breaks it. 50-50.
Oh my god.
It's not bad. I think it's like I ate like the dark chocolate, then I got the white chocolate.
Oh, hell no. No. Sorry. I kind of like tasted the aftertaste and I didn't like it.
Bro.
What is that consistency?
Oh my god.
It's actually really chewy. Like it's a hard gummy.
This guy spit out every food in every continent.
They look like dirty chips.
Try the dirty chip.
I know I'm never coming back to this video. This one, obviously, you know, belongs to this guy right here.
Very funny.
He's like bothered to. Oh, it sounded like a fuck.
That's a Cardi.
Yeah, it sounded like a corn nut, bro. Like,
It was my tooth. I broke it. It's not bad. It's like a breakfast.
bro, I like very simple shit, bro.
1 through 10?
0.
0.
Bro, that's because it's the last one, so you're already fed up with candy.
No, I didn't like anything, bro.
You should just spit. Spit it out.
I spit everything.
No, you know what the only problem is? He didn't try anything.
I guess I did. I tried the gummies. I tried the one that looked like Ruffles.
No matter what you tried, if you tried these at the end, automatic 0.
Trash, right?
They look like dirty fucking chips.
Final rating? 0.
I'd give it like a 4. I'm not gonna.
This one actually really just brought it up a couple points, so a 6. I really like the wine candies, this one right here, and I kind of like this, I'm not gonna lie. I was contemplating a bit, but I actually like it.
That tastes like trash.
We all got different taste buds, which is why we wanted to show you not one reaction, but 3 reactions. We got one more to go, which is the Antarctica one. You might not want to miss this one. Let's go. All right, so as we said, last continent is Antarctica, so that's the reason we have their favorite kind of candy. We're about to try it out. This is a mystery item right here. This is
Wow.
shit, boy, totally missed my mouth.
Oh, 0 calories. Oh,
Oh God! They have the best candy ever and the best drink. Oh my goodness! I think this is a definite 10. What do you rate it?
It's like slow, isn't it?
Yeah, like okay. I feel like the aftertaste is like really good, like for real. You guys, thank you so much for watching. That's been it for me. I'm Marty. This is Victor, and this is Arlen. You guys know what's up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we're out. Peace.